Welcome to this guided meditation for mindfulness. Mindfulness meditation involves learning to counteract the inclination of the mind to wander away from the present moment. We center our attention to learning to train the brain to become more present more easily. This meditation is done with kindness and compassion for ourselves, allowing ourselves to let go of judgments and discovering a new way of reacting when we encounter our habitual patterns of thoughts and behavior. Remember that you're not expecting to make anything happen in this meditation. Simply observe what you find and practice letting things be. Let's begin. Prepare yourself by sitting comfortably or laying in bed. Relax your body and let go of any tension. Now take a deep breath and focus on your breathing. Breathe out, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Let go of any tension. Relax completely. Relax every muscle on your body. Breathe normally. Inhale, exhale. As you breathe in and out, you'll feel your body become heavier. Let go of any resistance and control. Go deeper and deeper into complete relaxation. Close your eyes. Relax your body. Allow yourself to focus on releasing any tension completely as you exhale. Breathe in and out. When something uncomfortable distracts you, like an itch, a pain, or sweat, observe it first and wait if it eases. If you feel the need to address it, then go ahead and scratch it, tap it, rub it, or wipe the sweat. Notice how your body reacts. Pause and address what's making you feel uncomfortable. In this way, the body scan provides an opportunity to practice responsiveness. I want you to take a few moments to notice sensations of breathing. Again, expect your mind to wander. When you notice you are drifting away with distracting thoughts, remember to center your attention back to your breathing. Breathe in, breathe out. Clear your mind and hone in your attention to the present. Notice the pressure of your feet against the floor or the bed. Feel the temperature. Feel the comfort or discomfort. Feel the itches and any other physical sensations in your body. Move your attention to your lower legs. You might feel the touch of clothing or a blanket, or you may not feel anything, and that's okay. Just continue focusing on scanning your body with tension and sensations. Whatever you're experiencing, remember that that's what you're supposed to feel right now. After a few minutes, shift attention to your upper legs, observing them in the same way, pacing yourself, turning the same kind of attention to your abdomen and then to your chest. Notice physical sensations such as breathing, internal feelings like hunger or fullness, and the resonance of any emotions, physical manifestations of happiness, sadness, tension, anger, feeling open or closed, and so on. Continue turning your attention to the rest of your body in some way, spending several minutes focusing on each part of your body, moving to your hands, then your arms. Then bring attention to your neck and shoulders, releasing tension when you're able without fighting what remains. Finally, bring attention to your face and head, noticing expressions and reflections of emotions that occur around your mouth and eyes in particular. Take a moment of stillness, and then with intention, choose when to move on with your day.